your happy body. Our bodies are our best friends. They help us run, jump, and play all day long. To keep our bodies happy, we need to give them a good night's rest. When we sleep, our bodies get stronger. Waking up refreshed means it's time for a yummy breakfast. Healthy food gives us the energy to learn and have fun. Fruits and vegetables are like superheroes for our bodies. They help us stay healthy and strong. Don't forget to drink lots of water. It helps our bodies work properly and keeps us feeling great. Moving our bodies is so much fun. Running, dancing, or playing outside makes our hearts and muscles happy. Exercise also helps our brains think better. It's like a workout for our minds. Being kind to others makes our hearts feel warm and happy. It's good for our spirit. When we do the right thing, we feel peaceful inside. It's like a big warm hug for our soul. Taking care of our bodies, minds, and spirits helps us feel good all over. Let's be happy and healthy together.